Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 18 divide 3 multiply 2 minus 4. Okay, most people solve this question like 18 divide 3 is equal to 6. Then 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now 6 multiply minus 2 is equal to minus 12. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, according to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication, division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. So here is a one division, here is one multiplication, and here is one subtraction. So in this question, first priority is division and multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So now 18 divide 3 is equal to 6. Multiply 2 minus 4. Now here is a one multiplication and one subtraction. So multiplication is first priority, then the subtraction. Okay. So 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12 minus 4. Now 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore the correct answer is 8. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.